Vardhman Special Steels Ltd, a steel manufacturer. Company has 5 decades of experience in manufacturing steel billets, rolled bars, and bright bars. With a production capacity of 260,000 metric tons per annum for billets, 2 lakh metric tons per annum for rolled bars, and 48,000 metric tons per annum for bright bars. Company aims to increase the production capacity of billets to 285,000 metric tons per annum by fiscal year 2026 and 3 lakh metric tons per annum by fiscal year 2028, for which they have allocated capex of Rs 160 crores in August 2023. The company was incorporated in 2010 and got public in 2012. They are based in Ludhiana, with more than 1,200 employees. Company has one manufacturing plant, located in Ludhiana, with a production capacity of around 5 lakh metric tons per annum. The market cap of the company is 2,147 crore rupees, and currently trading at 263 rupees per share. The company has a 21% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 27% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company is part of Vardhman Group, which has more than 28,000 employees, and a turnover of $1.46 billion. In 2019, company partnered with Aichi Steel Corporation, a part of Toyota Motor Corporation, for technical collaboration, and to expand its footprint in the ASEAN region. Aichi Steel Corporation also holds 11.4% stakes in the company. The company is showcasing strong and stable financial records, and clocking good profits year on year. There has been a small drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. The public holding is dropping, indicating that domestic investors are buying from the public. The company is giving good dividends every year. A dividend of 2 rupees per share was paid in fiscal year 2024. Company serves more than 200 clients from 8 countries, with revenue concentration of 95% from domestic and 5% from exports, and aims to increase export revenue to 25% by fiscal year 2027. Some clients of the company are Toyota, JCB, Hyundai, Maruti Suzuki, TAFE Tractors, Ford, Yamaha, Ashok Leyland, Honda, and more. Company aims to become India's #1 special steel manufacturer by fiscal year 2030. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.